Considered all the factors, including our engagement with Umalusi. We agreed as CM that there must be a national rewrite of your maths paper 2 and your physical science paper 2.
Nompumelelo mlenzana ya dilemo tse 17 hore o ikutlwa a imollohile kamora hore Lefapha la Thuto ya Motheo le laele hore dithuto tsa mathematics le physical science di ngolwe hape.
I was actually very angered when I got home that day, I think when we were writing maths and physics, to hear that both the papers had leaked. I was like, yo, most of the kids got quiz question papers and they're going to get higher marks than us. They're going to go take our spots in universities. I was livid. I was angry.
As painful as it might be, that the learners will have to go and write examination again. Hence, we are making a call that all the members of the National Teachers Union and all other teachers in particular should be able to go back to school and prepare learners.
Letona la Thuto ya Motheo le re lefapha le ile la potlaka ho thibela ho nyenyelepa dipampiri tse ding ho latela menyenyetsi ya hore thuto ya business studies e nyenyelepile. Letona le re ho nyenyelepa hona ha o amoelehe.
We needed to act fast in the interest of the learners and the public in general. I do expect the AG at some stage next year they will give us fruitless expenditure because we had to shred all the papers that were already photocopied in other sessions, use backup papers, So it was a very costly exercise in terms of time, human resources, all sorts of difficulties.
Kamora o nyenyelepa dipampiri tsena kgweding e fetileng lefapha le ile la kgetha sehlopha sa tshebetso se ileng sa fuputsa le ho netefatsa hore ditlhahlobo di ba le seriti.
Can you allow the entire country, comprising of 391,000 mathematics learners, to rewrite a question paper that a large percentage would not have had access to? And that is the reality. But unfortunately, if we want to restore public confidence, we had to then take possibly that which is regarded as an unpopular decision.
Lefapha le lebohile the Hawks ka ho tshwara ba nkgang lefuta. Mathematics 2 e tla ngolwa ka la 15 ati physical science 2 yona e tla ngolwa ka la 17 kgweding ena.